Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets. And today we're going to talk about how you can't say horticulture without culture. As always, if you need more information, in the descriptive box below are links to various websites, including Amazon.com, that has all the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets series of books. So here's a brief guide to help you identify the most popular plants in your courtyard and in the wild around San Miguel de Allende, with their impact on our history, culture, and your garden. In your garden, as in life, I recommend falling in love with natives. There's a reason they do well here. For example, fuchsia fascinates me and grows profusely all over Ireland. Each year at the Candelaria plant sale on February 2nd, I buy some fuchsia and treat it with much love and respect until one day it'll simply realize it's not in cloudy, rainy Celtic Ireland and kills itself. You will never find a hardy cactus behaving that way. If you're lucky enough to have a tree in your garden, it'll likely be an imported Peruvian pepper tree, featuring the tasty red or pink pepper seeds. They grow big and weak, so best not to picnic under one, as the branches frequently tumble off for no apparent reason. In the Jardine and most public parks, it's easy to spot the trim Indian laurel. Often misidentified as breadnut, the tree enjoys being hollowed out to keep birds from nesting and adding their excrement to damage the nearby church's facades. Jacarandas, like pictured in the upper left-hand corner of the book there, jacarandas bloom around Easter in their purple glory all over the city, giving the town an otherworldly glow. Not a favorite among allergy sufferers. Lantana, pictured here with the monarch, is my personal favorite flower, featuring small clusters of bright blooms on every shrub. Tolerant of drought and unappealing to be eaten by animals, the wide variety of colors makes lantana a great ornamental that'll grow in pots but does far better in the ground itself. Bougainvillea, pictured in the upper left-hand corner, is another lovely, drought-resistant vine in spectacular colors. Prickly, so not good around children or pets, but easy to care for and omnipresent. Around the house, you can never go wrong with a succulent, which sounds like a vampire, but really is just a water-retaining plant. Often the rains start, a succulent will bloom gorgeous flowers in a variety of colors and settles nicely in a pot. Copal is a small shrub with bark that peels in papery strips with age. Copal is used for religious ceremonies, being the parent plant to frankincense and myrrh. Copal is featured in indigenous dancing and prayers, as the aroma is believed to bring back ancestors. Also profuse are cacti, absorbing moisture from even the slightest bit of rain. Once the oak forests were destroyed by the Spanish, grazing cattle spread the cultivation of cacti. Cacti today is used for food, hair coloring, paper, building materials, health care, and much else. When visiting the chapel in San Miguel Viejo, pictured in the back there on the slide, note what lies above St. Michael's image at the top of the chapel, a cacti. Cacti were considered the greatest gift from the gods to the indigenous, more valuable than the new face St. Michael represented. Nopals, a type of cacti, are my favorite, and they're eaten daily. It does wonders for your blood pressure and cholesterol. Uncooked, it has the texture of snot, but once fried, it tastes like a green bean. Ball moss, pictured in the lower left-hand corner there, has nothing to do with Lucy Ball, but rather is a ball-like gray puffs you see all over town on trees and electrical wires. It's another parasite that kills the host. Well, not a telephone pole. Related to both the pineapple and Spanish moss, used to decorate nativities, ball moss is far more deadly and needs to be removed if you want the tree to survive. These are the most common plants in and around town. Enjoy them while impressing your pals with your horticultural and cultural in general expertise. Or channel the acerbic wit of Dorothy Parker, who chimed, "You can lead a horticulture, but you can't make her think." As always, click the subscribe now button and get nearly daily notifications of new videos as they come out here on the San Miguel de Allende Secrets YouTube channel.